This is a live trade which I am taking on GBPUSD. Now, on this trade, here's what I'm doing on this trade. I the price broke this support structure that we have here. Okay, so why I did that, I waited for it to come and retest it, which you can see it right here. So here's what the market did. The market has come to retest it. Now, the stop loss I'm using is a stop loss of 10 pips. Okay. Now, this is my entry point 1.25914. So my stop loss of 10 pips will be at 1.25814. um from the calculation, from how I taught you guys to calculate it yesterday, if you run the calculation you see it. So here's the stop loss. Let me click on it. So click on it. So this is it. Stop loss 1.26014. Okay. um let's see, where's that entry? I'm looking for the entry. Okay, the entry is at 1.25914. So if we add 100 pips to 914, 100 points to 914, we are going to have 1.26014. You can see it here. So guys, one thing you need to know is forex is just a computer, and computer, they don't, there's nothing like 10. It starts, the counting starts from 0 to 9. So you have to understand that. So this is the trade I just placed. So we're going to wait. My TP is at 35 pips, which is 350 points. So we're going to wait. We're going to come back later to see how this trade responded. Hey folks, we are still on the trade. We are still on the trade. This is just 2 minutes in the trade. So this is where I am trading these markets to right here. I'm trading this market to get to this support level that we have here. Okay, that's where I want to trade this market to. Now, and my take profit is just below here. You can see it here, 350 points. Look at it there, 350 points, which is equal to 35 pips. Okay, so if you do the calculation, you're going to see it. You all you just need to do is, if you add 350 to 914, then it will get you my entry point. Okay, so that's how you are going to do it. So as you can see, it's just a simple process of breakout, breakup structure, and then price coming back to retest. Now, as for those of you who are still confused about the fake outs, now a fake out usually happens, like I told you before, a fake out usually happens when a market is on a sell trend. Okay, and it's now going to make it look like as if it wants to kind of like break to move into a buy trend. But this is what it does. It just breaks the resistance by a little, and then it fakes it and then starts coming down. Now, why did this fake out occur here? Now, this fake out occurred here, one, because we have something here that price wants to come to retest. Okay, and close to it there's a short-term resistance level. Now, this short-term resistance level that you're seeing here, okay, this short-term resistance level that you're seeing here, there's what we call liquidity. Now, I'm going to teach you guys liquidity, okay, but that's going to be on the next day. Now, liquidity is always resting above highs and below lows. Okay, now What happened here? This is called a stop run. Okay. Now, a stop run is a manipulative move. Is a move that tricks traders, making traders feel that this market that is here is going for a break. So you are going to see the moment this market breaks, like you are going to see traders, they keep buying, 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 and hoping that the market will keep going higher. But no, this is on a sell trend. We have a support level that is supposed to be retested. Okay, so now what this happened is that it created this liquidity here. After creating this liquidity, what now happened? It it ran the stops above this liquidity, retesting this support level that we have here, and now we want to see it moving down. Okay, so that's how fake outs usually uh occur. That's how fake outs usually occur. So this is my account. Let me show it to you guys. I'm using a $32 account, so you guys can see the trade is live. The trade is live here, and I'm using a micro lot size of 0.02. Now remember, I told you guys you have to know your account types in order for you to be able to um, know the type of lot size you are going to be able to use. Okay, so we are going to come back later on this trade to see how far we've gone. Okay, I'm going to come back on this trade to see how far we've gone. So let me just put it on a 1 minute chart. Put on a 1 minute chart. Hmm. Hey guys, what's up? We are still in the trade, and as you can see, price is moving vividly. Sorry about that. So let's see how far we've gone. Okay, almost 10 pips gone. Okay, that's wonderful. I'll still give you more updates later on. Yeah, hey folks, this is a few minutes into the trade. Now, wow, look at this guys. This is very, very beautiful. These are amazing. These are amazing. Now you can see price move, continue to move lower. Wow. And I want you guys to pay close attention to this. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is a break of structure. Okay. What structure is this? This is support. Price broke support and tested it twice. You can see it here. I kind of missed a trade. I missed to take a trade here because I was um I was actually busy watching a movie, so so I missed the trade here. So guys, there's something I want to also teach you guys. Remember, I told you guys something concerning how to avoid a margin call. Now it's called scaling. Now what is scaling? Scaling is when you're on a trade and that trade is on profit. And what do? You move your stop loss, okay? You move your stop loss and then you put it a bit below your entry. So guys, scaling is when you move your stop loss to a your entry point or below your entry. Now why are you scaling? You're scaling in order to lock your profit. Now if I put my cursor here, you're going to see that my initial loss for this trade is $2. That's my risk, okay, which is 100 pips, right? But now let's scale this. Let's take it below my entry. I've taken it below my entry. With this now, I am protecting myself so that if this market reverses, okay, in case if the market reverses, it's just going to close the trade with a profit. So, okay, my network connection is a bit low, so let me take it. Okay, now remember when it was here, it was showing minus, but now it will be showing the minus sign will not. Okay, So now I have moved my stop loss below my entry, so that in case this market wants to close, it's going to close with a profit instead of a loss. Okay, so that's it. So wow, we're almost at TP, guys. You can see that we're almost at TP. Wow, wow, wow. That's really incredible. Now, guys, it's very, very important to to know what you are risking in the market. It's very, very important to know that. Now, as you can see here, this my account is a $32 account, and you can see how small I'm risking. I'm just risking $2. Okay, and now that I'm in profit, I am now risk free. What is risk free? I have nothing to lose again. Okay, I have nothing to lose here. If this trade decides to reverse and hit my stop loss, if this trade decides to reverse and hit my stop loss, I have nothing to lose, because now I've locked the trade and I'm in profit. Okay, so guys, it's actually I'm actually uh I'm actually surprised I missed this because I was watching a movie. But um I did this live session today so that you guys will be able to see how I take my trades and how I put my stop loss and my take profit, and how I also manage my risk. It's very, very important, guys. It's very, very important. So I will see you guys when this trade hits TP. I want to go and continue watching my movie. So okay, one more thing, guys. Take a look at this. Remember, I told you guys I was expecting this support level here to get broken. As you can see, that support level is broken. You can see it. This is magnificent. It's broken, and now it's just close to TP. This is called technical analysis at its peak, or how will I speak the English? So, guys, this is how I take my trades once again. This is how I take my trades once again. Now, there is more to actually taking trades than break of market structure and retest. There is more to that. There is more. Now, the way I just enter this trade is the basic level of entering trades. Okay, it's the basic level of entering trades. Now, there is something called liquidity. I told you guys I'm going to teach you guys that on our next session. There is something called liquidity. Okay, now, where is the liquidity in the marketplace? Now, the forex market is being run by banks, mostly banks. They are the ones in control of the forex market. Okay, and at these highs and these lows, these support and resistance that you see there, there's liquidity there. Those liquidity, there are orders that are piled up there. What orders? Uninformed traders, retail traders, people that don't know the way of the institutional um market trading in forex. Okay, and I'm going to teach you more about liquidity in our next session. So for now, let's just enjoy seeing my trade hit take profit. Alright, guys, we're back to the 1 minute. Back to the 1 minute. As you can see, the trade is almost at my take profit. Let's see. Okay, now, okay, guys, look at my initial balance, $32.86. This is the equity. Now, the equity is what displays after I close the trade. So back to what we're talking about. Sorry about the distraction. Now, look at my initial balance, and then this is the equity. Now, remember when we're talking about margin, I told you guys Equity, and equity is what uh, displays after you close this trade. Now, if I decide to close this trade right now and right here, this equity that is showing here is what will show in my real balance. Okay. Now, this is the margin. This is kind of like, it's kind of like, how will I call it? Is what they enable me to use to keep more positions. Okay, if I add another position, you're going to see this margin is going to reduce. Okay, then this free margin that you're seeing right here, there's a way they use in calculating this free margin and the margin level, which I haven't really studied that much and I don't really pay attention to it, but these are just the margins. So just almost at TP, my TP is 35 pips, which is 350 points, and that's about $7 profit. So if you do 0.03 times 350, you're going to see that. Wow, guys, TP, 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 TP. Wow, that was wonderful. You guys need to clap for me, clap for me. So, guys, that's it for today's live trading session. That's it for today's live trading session. So, the way I entered my trade just now, for now, that's how you should be entering your trade. First of all, you consider your trend on your daily time frame. Okay, what are you doing on the daily? You are selling. You go down to the 1 hour, you look for entries, reasons to enter the trade, Okay, now look at this. This is a break of structure. Okay, then this is the support level that you have right here. You can see how the market retested this support. I was actually expecting it to reject from here. I know most of you will be saying, why didn't it come here instead of here? Now, um this is on a 1 hour chart. If you go down to a 15-minute chart, you're going to see that there are bodies of candles here as well. So I took a trade this morning right here. Okay, I took a trade this morning right here. So I took a trade this morning right here at this point. This swing that you see that started like this, I was part of the swing. Then this other one that is here is just the one I just recently took now. So I'm going to see you guys when we have our class today.